Yeah, well, and you can't right now.
Yeah, I
anyway.
can't drink beer. I mean, that's just never been my thing.
Yeah.
My husband is a cicerone.
There you go.
And a beer
See?
expert, which is kind of ironic.
We should have him on.
But we got plenty in the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay, so the food, eat good food,
Yeah.
drink a little bit, you want to take a snooze, right?
Oh, of course.
Well, do you have attention deficit disorder or do you have trouble sleeping? Did you know that sound can help you out? You have most likely heard of white noise, right?
course, yeah.
You know, the sound machines they always put on, but there are also pink and brown noise that can help you out. So what's the difference? You can't see the color, obviously,
Okay.
but pink noise is basically white noise, but with a reduced higher frequency. There is a sound of a light rain, kind of put it that way. Then studies show sleeping with pink noise can improve your memories the following day, y'all, the following day after one sleep, and potentially even long term. But how about brown noise? One woman's TikTok went viral for her reaction to hearing it for the first time. Her face, she's like, what am I listening to? Brown noise is a bit rougher. Do you hear it?
Yeah, it's like a storm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does sound like a roaring storm for sure. But are you relaxed? She's focused. You could tell in her face she was focused. So it is a little louder, a little rougher than pink noise. Common benefits, though, are relaxation, improved focus, and like others, improved sleep. Now, I have ADHD. Surprise.
What?
I know, right? I've had it for years. The older I get, the worse it sadly is. But brown noise is known to help people with attention deficit disorder.
Okay.
I can attest it does work. Does it cure it? No, but it does work.
Yeah.
And you listen to it when you're sleeping?
If I need to focus, because it kind of, my brain has like 100 tabs open at
Yeah.
once. This kind of helps you funnel and focus better.
Yeah.
All about a sound. Is that not
Interesting.
crazy?
That is crazy.
It's amazing. I sleep with white noise. I have on the shift, have to with two young
Right.
kids. But, you know, some people think it sounds like a jet engine.
I like
when
the
they
light
sleep.
rain idea.
Yeah,
Yes.
so there you go.
Okay, so tonight you do white noise, you do pink noise, I'll do brown noise.
We'll report back.
Exactly. Pretty cool right there, though.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about the weather. It is cool outside.